Last weekend, I did a short saying that I was going to do an interview with a friend talking about network marketing. When I went to talk to that friend, things kind of got off track and he was presenting a different opportunity, but I still wanted to make that video about network marketing, which is a business model where one person's selling to another person, which is why it's sometimes referred to as direct sales and may also be referred to as multi-level marketing because you can create teams to increase your reach or impact you multiplying the sales and potential sales. Network marketing companies rely on people building their network, reaching out to people within their network, selling to people within their network, rinse, wash, repeat. GoPro by Eric Worre is a fairly popular marketing book. Um, it's broken down into 7 skills to succeed in network marketing, and they are finding prospects, inviting prospects, presenting, follow up, master closing, getting the new distributor to start right, and promoting events. Based on this one particular book, you can see communication and sales, although not specifically mentioned, are more or less the major skills needed to make it in network marketing. If you build a team, then leadership comes into play, which also involves communication. The sales aspect is a common excuse people use for not trying network marketing or why they aren't doing good at it. I like any skill, sales is something that can be learned and improved through videos, like some of the one educational and personal development videos I do here, or reading a book. This is one of the benefits I see in network marketing or direct sales is your results are dependent on how much you put in. If mindset or skills are holding you back, you can always improve them to get the results you're looking for. The previous mentioned author Eric Worre has a YouTube video titled How to Build a Successful Network Marketing Business, which I'll link in the description, where he goes over mindset, skills, the ones from his GoPro book, and strategy, systems for different aspects of the business. One thing that sets network marketing apart from a brick and mortar business is the cost of entry, which is one of the many appealing aspects to get some people started. So hopefully you found some value in this. If you found the topic interesting, please hit the like button and leave a comment with what your thoughts on the topic are, and share this with someone who might also find the topic interesting so I can know to make more videos like this. Thanks and have a good day.